Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to delete a Discord server. Maybe you want to close a server that you no longer need or want to start fresh with a new server. So today I'm going to show you how to delete a Discord server. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Discord application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on these three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. In this panel, select the server that you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this server. Simply tap on it. After that, tap on this three dots icon at the top right corner of the panel. A menu will pop up below, and here, tap on this gear icon to open the server settings. In this settings page, tap on Overview. Here, scroll up, and below, you can now see this Delete Server option. Simply tap on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to confirm if you really want to delete the server. Tap on Yes to confirm. After that, you now have successfully deleted the Discord server. The server will no longer be accessible to you or anyone else. There you go. If you wanted to know how to delete a Discord server, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to delete a Discord server, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.